I'm going to put it in the center of the ring and move the claw back just enough. Then I have more room for the burrs. I'm only working on the claw that's closest to me, not over here or on the side. I'm working on the 6 o'clock. This is a 12, 9, and 3. If I do it here, I may just wrap it around and it'll ruin the claws. I only tilt it towards me at a 45-degree angle, and I'll let this part of the burr do the actual cutting and making a pavilion seat. Now what we're going to do now, instead of pressing it in, we're going to do it sideways. The stone is tight. And 1/3 of the way down from the tip of the claw, I'm going to come in horizontally, not in this configuration, but sideways. One claw at a time. Why am I doing this? Well, you'll see when I use my high-speed steel 90-degree angle burrs that the burr will not ride up and over, damaging the tip of the claw. It's going like a speed bump. I just touch it up. Looking at the separation of the claws, making sure they're all uniform.